Many people know that your talents are on another level. And some people are wondering if you even know how amazing you really are. And it's not just about you possessing these skills and talents, but many people often wonder why you are not capitalizing on these gifts. You know, a lot of people actually admire your skills and your talents, and they feel to themselves like if they had an ounce of your skills and talents, they will take this skill or talent worldwide. Some people think that you are literally sleeping on yourself and you're just sitting down there. And trigger warning, guys, some people think you're wasting your talents. Some people feel like you're wasting your skills. Like, why are you not showing your skills and talents to the world now? This could be due to numerous factors. Some of you may not have access to certain places, which is why you cannot utilize on these skills and talents. Some of you may need to travel to be able to expose these skills and talents, and you may not have enough financial resources. Some of you may feel like you need to go back to college, you need to go back to uni. That's going to require money. You know, there's a lot of different factors. You are aware of your skills and talents, and you could even become quite frustrated with the situation, because you could feel to yourself, I've got all these skills and talents. I know I'm one of the best that has these skills and talents, but I can't take these skills and talents anywhere. And you could be one of the siblings, or yourself and your other sibling or siblings could all possess these skills and talents. And maybe your parents were the type of parents to say, you need to focus on this, or you need to focus on that, or they were focused on work and they didn't invest in your skills and talents. So you may have felt like, okay, maybe I should have done this thing, whatever this thing is, when I was younger. And that's not true. You know, there's always time. For others of you, you may feel to yourself, I've got a family. I can't literally do this creative thing, this hobby, this project, whatever the case is, when I've got to keep a roof over my head, which is true. But there are ways, because you keep thinking about this thing. And a lot of people keep thinking about this thing. A lot of people, especially in your family, may have told you, look, you are amazing, you're talented. And you may have felt like they're only saying that because they're my family members. No, trust me. They're saying it because it's the truth. They're saying it because what you possess is next level. Like, what you possess could literally catapult you into fame and superstardom. And some of you don't want to hear that. And this could be one of the reasons why some of you are sleeping on your skills and talents, because there's a fear of what type of life you will invite in, because you are a very traditional and possibly private person. Some of you don't want all that hysteria and excitement, but there is a way that you can combine your skills and talents, making it into a living and having a very sturdy, stable and peaceful private life. There is a way you can do that. And Spirit doesn't want you to sleep on yourself anymore, my darling. Spirit wants you to wake up. Stop waiting. I know some of you have said that you're waiting for the green light. I do read your comments. And I understand that, because sometimes things like timing in regards to our own astrological transits can actually play a part. You know, the alignment of planets, you know, different things can occur which require us to wait. But I'm hearing from Spirit, you've been waiting long enough. For some of you, yes, you are called to still wait, because you are called to hone your talents, do the research, work on your talents. Some of you were going through a very tumultuous time. You know, you were just being hit with a lot of different things. And just when you were getting yourself out of these situations, something else will come. I get that. But one of the ways in which you can heal yourself also is to remember who you are and your gifts and your talents. And some of you are fearful of how long it's going to take you to get to where you want to go. So you may find that you're talking yourself out of doing it. No. The more you put this thing off and make excuses, the more unhappier you'll be. Because you were given these gifts and talents for a reason. You were given these gifts and talents not to waste. And there's an energy of feeling repressed because you know that what you possess is not your average. You are a very magical being. You know, whenever people see you express these gifts and talents, people feel like they're being transported into another realm. You literally have that capacity to bring magic into life. Some of you are amazing singers, poets, dancers. Some of you are amazing writers, illustrators. Some of you are amazing in regards to conversation. So some of you may want to become a lawyer. Some of you are a lawyer, but you may want to do something creative on the side, but you may feel like, how's that going to work? Corporate and creative. Let me just stick to the corporate. No, you can have the best of both worlds. Some of you could be gamers and you may feel like this is just a hobby, but you can actually make a living from this. You can create your own YouTube. You can showcase your gaming. You can help other people in the area of gaming. Help them to complete certain levels, certain tasks. You can be a teacher. Some of you want to be a teacher. Some of you may want to teach gaming, if that's a thing. Some of you could be computer technicians, engineers. You know, some of you could be athletes. Some of you want to be songwriters. You're very highly skilled. Some of you want to be leaders within your community to make positive changes. Give back to the needy, the disadvantaged. Some of you want to be leaders in your community to help the youngsters to become decent human beings in society, to teach life skills. Like, there's many different things here, and you can do it. And a lot of people just admire your being, like having these ideas and just being so creative, just being so inspiring. You inspire a lot of people, and you don't know the impact that you have on others. Like, your impact is hugely felt. Like, you are very distinct. You stand apart from the rest. Even if you're in an area of work whereby other people are doing the same thing, the way you do this thing, it's so original. It's so unique. It's so wow. I couldn't even have thought of that. And you put so much pressure on yourself because you want to be the best, and you are one of the best to ever do it. And so it's time to move forward, is what Spirit is saying. Stop leaving yourself out in the cold. Start connecting with yourself. Start seeing your true value. Start seeing how amazing you are. Start seeing your amazing attributes, what you bring to the table, what you bring to society, what you bring and what you could bring to the world. And what you could actually bring to the world is your magic. It's time to start stepping out of your way. Stop walking away from your goals and your dreams. Put your head down. Focus. Hone your craft. Start taking yourself seriously again. Start remembering who you are. You are one of a kind. You are magnificent. You are of brilliance. and you will do it.